Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera so you can stream your OBS content directly into other apps like Discord, Zoom, or Teams. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once OBS launches, you'll need to create a new scene specifically for your virtual camera setup. Navigate to Scenes and click the plus icon to add a new scene. Enter a name for your scene, something like Virtual Camera works perfectly, then click OK. This scene will contain all the sources you want to share through your virtual camera. Now that you have your scene created, you need to add a source to it. In the bottom left of your screen, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Display Capture. This option allows OBS to capture everything on your screen, which is ideal for sharing presentations, videos, or your entire desktop with others. A new window will pop up asking you to name your display capture source. Enter your display capture name and click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see another window with display settings. Look for Display, and right beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click this drop-down and select your preferred display from the list, especially if you're using multiple monitors. Once you've selected the right display, click OK to confirm. With your display capture now added to your scene, you're ready to activate the virtual camera feature. In the right panel of OBS, locate and click the Start Virtual Camera button. This essentially turns your OBS output into a webcam source that other applications can detect and use. It's a powerful feature that gives you complete control over what you share during video calls or streams. Now it's time to use your virtual camera in another application. For this example, open your Discord app. Once Discord is running, navigate to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to access user settings. This is where you can customize all your audio and video preferences for Discord. In the left panel of the settings menu, click on Voice and Video. This section contains all the important settings related to your microphone and camera. Scroll down until you find the camera section. Below it, you'll see a drop-down menu showing your current camera source. Click this drop-down menu and select OBS Virtual Camera from the list of available options. Discord will now use your OBS output as the video source instead of your regular webcam. To make sure everything is working correctly, click Test Video. This will enable OBS Virtual Camera and show you a preview of what others will see during your calls or streams. You should now see your OBS display capture appearing in the test video window. And that's it. You've successfully set up and activated OBS Virtual Camera in Discord. You can now use this same process with any other video conferencing app that supports custom camera sources. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.